Are you tired of dealing with those pesky symptoms that just won't quit? You're going about your day, and suddenly, you feel that unnerving tingling sensation creeping up your limbs. Your muscles start twitching like a dance party gone wild, and then out of nowhere, a shooting pain strikes, leaving you breathless. Sound familiar? These symptoms can be signs of nerve dysfunction or damage, and they're not exactly a thrilling joyride, are they? Well, get ready to buckle up, because today's video is going to be a nerve-healing roller coaster ride you don't want to miss. We'll explore 7 incredible vitamins that can help you bid farewell to these nerve-related woes and get you back to living your best pain-free life. Welcome to Health BFF. Our first hero is vitamin B. One also known as thiamine is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in nerve function and repair. It supports nerve damage repair through several mechanisms. Vitamin B1 is involved in energy production, ensuring an adequate energy supply for nerve cells and supporting the repair of damaged nerves. It also contributes to nerve cell communication by participating in the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for proper signal transmission between nerves. Additionally, vitamin B1 exhibits antioxidant properties protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and supporting their repair. Deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to a condition called beriberi, which affects the nervous system and can cause symptoms such as nerve damage, muscle weakness, and peripheral neuropathy. Adequate intake of vitamin B1 is crucial for maintaining healthy nerves and supporting their repair. Now let's dive into the wonders of vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various physiological processes, including nerve function and repair. Vitamin B6 aids in the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for proper nerve signaling and mood regulation. It also contributes to the formation and maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers, promoting efficient nerve impulse conduction. Additionally, vitamin B6 supports amino acid metabolism, ensuring proper nerve cell communication, and exhibits anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce inflammation and protect nerves from damage. By understanding the importance of vitamin B6 in nerve damage repair, we can appreciate the significance of including this nutrient in our diets or considering supplementation if necessary. However, it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance based on individual needs and conditions. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your appreciation by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell. We also encourage you to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your feedback. Now let's pick up where we left off. Prepare to be amazed by the nerve-healing powers of vitamin E is a group of fat-soluble compounds. The main form of vitamin E found in humans is alpha-tocopherol. It plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Oxidative stress, resulting from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, can contribute to nerve damage. By scavenging free radicals, vitamin E helps protect nerves from oxidative damage and supports their repair. Chronic inflammation can contribute to nerve damage and hinder the healing process. By reducing inflammation, vitamin E supports the repair of damaged nerves. Vitamin E also supports nerve regeneration and membrane stabilization, contributing to the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. Additionally, it improves blood flow and circulation, ensuring the delivery of essential nutrients and oxygen to the nerves, further facilitating their healing process. Please keep in mind that while vitamin E has shown promise in supporting nerve damage repair, more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms and effectiveness. Let's shed some light on the role of vitamin D in nerve healing. Beyond its well-known benefits for bone health, vitamin D also supports nerve function and repair. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble. It is unique compared to other vitamins because our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Additionally, it can be obtained from dietary sources and supplements. Vitamin D supports nerve damage repair through various mechanisms. It has neuroprotective effects and plays a role in regulating the growth, survival, and function of nerve cells. It supports the production of neurotrophic factors, which are proteins that promote nerve cell survival and stimulate nerve regeneration. Vitamin D also helps regulate the immune response, reducing inflammation that can hinder the healing process. By maintaining optimal calcium levels, it supports proper nerve conduction. Additionally, vitamin D plays a role in mood regulation, indirectly contributing to nerve repair by promoting psychological well-being. Now let's explore the wonders of vitamin B12, the superstar of nerve healing. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in the normal functioning of the nervous system. Vitamin B12 is essential for the production of myelin, a protective coating that wraps around nerve fibers, ensuring fast and efficient signal transmission. By supporting myelin synthesis, vitamin B12 promotes nerve cell repair, aids in the growth of new nerve cells, and even helps regenerate damaged nerves. Boost your vitamin B12 levels, and you'll be on the road to strong, healthy nerves. For more information about vitamin B12 and its deficiency, you can check our video 10 Warning Signs of Vitamin B12 Deficiency. Let's not forget about the mighty vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body with remarkable nerve healing properties. Vitamin C supports nerve repair by promoting collagen synthesis, which helps maintain the integrity of the protective myelin sheath around nerve fibers. Additionally, it acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and supporting their repair. Vitamin C is involved in the synthesis of certain neurotransmitters, such as norepinephrine. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Adequate levels of vitamin C are necessary for the proper functioning of neurotransmitters, which is crucial for nerve signaling and repair processes. Vitamin C's involvement in immune system support further contributes to nerve damage repair. While further research is needed to fully elucidate its effectiveness, ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin C through diet or supplementation can support the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. Last but not least, let's explore the remarkable mineral known as magnesium, which plays a crucial role in nerve healing. Magnesium is an essential mineral involved in numerous biochemical processes in the body, including nerve function. Magnesium is required for the activation of enzymes that contribute to nerve cell communication and proper function. It helps regulate the flow of calcium in and out of nerve cells, which is essential for nerve signal transmission. By maintaining the balance of calcium, magnesium supports optimal nerve signaling and helps with nerve healing. Furthermore, magnesium has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, magnesium creates a more favorable environment for nerve healing and recovery. Additionally, magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant, which can help alleviate muscle tension and spasms often associated with nerve damage or conditions like neuropathy. By promoting muscle relaxation, magnesium can relieve discomfort and support the healing of nerves. It's important to note that magnesium deficiency is relatively common, and low levels of magnesium can negatively impact nerve health. Therefore, ensuring an adequate intake of magnesium through diet or supplementation is crucial for nerve healing and overall well-being. And there you have it, Health BFFs, the remarkable vitamins that promote nerve healing. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Incorporating a balanced diet, rich in these nerve-healing vitamins alongside proper medical guidance, can truly make a difference in your nerve health journey. Thank you for joining us on Health BFF. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and we're here to be your best friend on this wellness adventure. Stay tuned for more empowering content, and until next time, stay healthy and be well.